Happy Saturday. I am here at Pasco EZ Pull It. I made a live video earlier on Facebook. Wake up, come get some parts. But it's a half off day and I'm here. I haven't shot a video in a while, so I'm out here to be stupid, see what they got, and go walk around the back because I miss walking around the junkyard and finding stuff I need and finding stuff I want. So let's have a quick look around out front just to get an idea what they got for sale out here. And then we'll go inside, have a look around, have some fun, show you some of the changes they've been making around here. I want this bad. 79 Park Avenue. It's pretty cool, it's pretty straight. It's a little dirty, but it needs some love. I would love to love it, but I'm broke, so I ain't loving this one. And I would love this one too. A shorty, high top. Boy, I could go all over the place, camping in this thing, going to car shows everywhere. There's the problem. It says Dodge on it, don't say Chevy. But it's cool anyway, I like it. Shorty vans are always interesting, especially if they got a high top on them, I could kind of stand in. Oh, not good, but not that bad. Let's see what they got. That Lincoln's pretty damn nice. It's clean. From what I understand, it just got old, and they were just walking away from it. Guy was moving, and there it is. This is a nice car. I think it runs and drives pretty good, from what I understand. The price is for sure right on it. It's super clean. Interior's not bad. Only one rip in the driver's seat I could see. Not bad. Cadillac. Some trucks. Some stuff over here. Let's see what else they got over here. Here we go. Trailblazer. Subi. That's a cool little Subi. Hyundai, another Nissan. Hey, this one ain't for sale. This one just happens to be in the group. Nissan, Mercedes. Looks pretty nice. That's pretty straight. See what else we got over here. That Explorer Sport they got up front over there is pretty cool. Expedition. Here we go. That's what's out front. Back around to the Buick. I want it. Sure enough, as soon as I walk out back, there's a 6.0 that I need right there in this Escalade. I would like it, but I can't afford it right now. But there's always motors here for me. As soon as I got some funds, I'll be back. But there's the Escalade right out the door. Let's go take a quick walk through the imports like we usually do. See what else we can find. This is the time to be out here. It's going to be 1,000,000 degrees out today, and I can feel it getting hotter by the second. Let's see how sweaty I can get this shirt in a bit. Josh, they got a couple of Volvos here. Missing anything off your car? Let's see if we can help you find some stuff in here. I don't know if there's anything missing off that new ride, but we'll see. Go. I like this car. I used to have a 1970 BMW 2002 Bavaria, and this is close. I wouldn't mind a 4-door in this model. See what it looks like inside. pretty trashed. And it's rusted. Old bands. These things are pretty rare. Hard to find parts for, especially that part right there. All chrome's on it. Motor looks like it's in it. Don't look good. It's got all the wheels on it. Good set of taillights. Look at this. Good bumpers. A lot of good parts on this old Benz. Let's look inside. Denied. One more time. Hey, it's open. This ain't bad. Ain't a bad little car for sure. Pop top Volvo. Bet you missed that one. Jag. I used to have a 93 XJS. Was a fun car to drive. I used to get pulled over everywhere I went in it. Push bar on a cube. Come get it. That's a bright green. Just like my old truck. There you go. This guy's taking the parts, but here's a mini truck, some stuff left on it. You better come out here and grab what's left before it disappears. I know you mini truck guys are always looking for stuff. Here you go. This little Alfa Romeo still sitting here. Brian, come get parts. I know you need some. I gotta let the boss man know when something like this shows up before it comes out back. I'd like to have a look at it. I need a van, and a V-dub would be awesome. Here we go. Tiburon. It's pretty straight. Nice trunk lid. Good parts. Got a set of wheels on it. It ain't that bad. I don't know how it ended up back here so quick. Here you go. Tiburon. There's the import section. It hasn't changed much. There's a couple of things that haven't been there, but we're gonna work our way down the hill and then work our way back like we usually do to the GM stuff and then the trucks. Let's take the stroll down the hill. Show you some of the changes they're making back here, make things better for us. Down the hill, we're in the bottom of the hill. They got some trucks down here, and then the Dodge section over here. But I don't see anything new back here in the big trucks back here. So we're gonna keep walking, walk up to the Dodge stuff, see what we can find. Charger with good parts. '09. This whole row is mostly Jeeps. If you got a Jeep, all sort of years, there's all kind of stuff right here. Let's go look at the 50 Ford. It's still here. How come nobody scooped all the parts off this thing yet? More Jeeps? What is it with Jeeps that they end up at the junkyard so quick? Is that a convertible 300? Boy, there's something wrong with that. It's a Magnum. Another Charger. Oh, the Dodge section had a couple of things, but not much. And here we are with the Fords. Let's see what's over here. Usually a ton of Mustangs as usual. Here's one. I think this one's been here for a minute. Crown Vic. 2014 Ford Flex. Boy, this must have been a good vehicle. What's it doing here? There's no Ford Town Car with a good interior in it. I know I'm pointing out to my buddy Brian the interior in this car. He needs an interior for his because it's disintegrated. He's got a low miles car. Come and get the damn parts. I ain't pointing it out again. How does an F body get in this condition? Wow. I don't think I've seen one this bad in a while. This is, it ain't that rusted yet. Getting there though. It's pretty sad. The old Buick is still here. Come and get some parts. It's got bumpers. It's got all kind of goodies on it still. I don't know how you guys haven't come down here and rated this thing yet. It's even got an interior in it. Check this Riviera out. Why can't I have one like this? 84 was a nice year. It's rusted. Cutlass is still here. Still got some goodies on it. Good doors, good trunk, good fenders. And my parts car is still here. I need to come scoop some more stuff on it. I want the hood. I'm gonna come get it so I cut a hole in one. If you can see how they're getting things cleaned up out here. They're starting to lay out some lime rock on the ground, getting the cars up a little better, getting it cleaned up so it's more friendly for clumsy butts like me, and a little easier to deal with when you're picking parts. But it's cleaning up nice, and it is easier to walk for sure. This Mustang is still here with the weird front clip on it. I don't know how nobody came to scoop this up yet. It's got some real oddball parts on it. Some kind of weird wide body kit in the back. Some kind of bumpers that are blended on. Somebody needs to come look at this. The little blazer is awful cool. I don't know how this snuck back here without me seeing it first. Camaro. Damn, this snuck in here too. That's a pretty clean looking little wagon. Well, there it is. I went down the hill. I went up the hill. I came down the hill again. Now I gotta work my way back up the hill. But we're gonna come up through the truck section and see what I need. An LS. I want a 6.0 or 5.4 or 5.3. So we're gonna go keep looking, see what kind of trucks we could dig up. I want a motor. Big old square Ford. Good stuff on it. Nice doors. Interior's not bad. Nice parts. Oh, the square body pickup is still sitting here. And that bed's still on it. I might need to come and snag that. I got a frame for a long bed, but I ain't got a cab. This old Ford's still here. Good stuff on it. Wasn't anything super exciting coming up to the commercial truck section, but we're gonna go walk outside, see what the crowd's looking like, and I'm gonna start wrapping this one up pretty soon. I might have to come back here in a little while, buy stuff, but I'm getting hot. I'm sweating through this whole shit. See how much we can sweat through it. I sweat through it for sure. And remember, if you don't want to pull it yourself, just ask them, and for a price they'll pull it. That's one of the new services. And don't forget, you can get on the list for parts, put your car in, get notifications when it shows up. That's always a help. Logan's busy, so I won't bother him.
Always busy, always busy.
Well, I had a good walk through the back. I haven't had a walk around the junkyard in a minute. It was fun, and there was a lot of people out there scooping up their half-off parts, and a couple of people that were fans that watch. That's always fun to see. And they're busy out here. It's going to be crowded out here in a bit. They're already getting busy, so come on down, get your parts. Pasco EZ Pull It, buy a car, buy a Lincoln. It's pretty cool. And I'll see you guys on the next one.